All right, welcome. My name is Matt Patoli. I am one of the founders of IndexPilot. I'm also one of the founders of Cometly, which is a marketing attribution platform. And I'm going to show you how using our SEO strategy and using IndexPilot, we went from $4,500 a month in new organic revenue all the way up to, 45, 46,000 a month. Okay. Now this dramatic change was amazing, but it was a lot of manual work. And so what I did was put in place IndexPilot so that we can do this on autopilot and save me 3 hours a day. So I was spending about 3 hours a day doing everything I'm going to show you in the demo of how you can use IndexPilot. And you can see here inside Cometly, like this is all from May 1st, 2024 to September 30th, 2025. This is the gross revenue for organic sources. So what has come in from organic first touch, so the first touch attribution model. And you can see just how it dramatically changed. Now, Cometly grew from being very reliant on paid ads, and it's still a great strategy, but we wanted to have another strategy, especially with what is going on with AI right now. And with AI, you can get referenced or mentioned by the AI or even recommended depending on the search term. And so it's all about building a content marketing strategy so that you can grow your organic presence and also get mentioned by AI. So I wanted to show you kind of what we did here. Now, this was derived from us implementing the strategy manually. And so inside IndexPilot, and it's going to really help you put in place a predictable stream of new content getting created every day with our autopilot feature. So our autopilot feature is amazing because you can literally see different keywords here, and every article is derived from a single keyword. And every single day, the AI is either creating new keywords for you based off relevant searches for your business, or you are adding your own keywords, okay? And so every single day you can get new content created on demand on autopilot, and you can even give it custom instructions here too. So it's really powerful. Now, you also have the ability to create your own content here. Now you can do it a single article or you can do a multiple article, right? So multiple articles is essentially like, multiple articles getting generated at once. If you want to do that, you would just enter in different keywords, one per line, and it's going to create a bunch of different articles for you, each article based off one of those keywords. Now you have tons of different options. You have different article types. You have the listicle, which is like the top tools, top 10 marketing attribution companies, step-by-step guide, how to implement Google Analytics, explainer, like, what is marketing attribution? Those would be examples of different article types. So you have those three types, and then you can also choose the image of the article that you want. You have 4 different options: cinematic, realistic, brand, diagram. You enter in the keyword. The category syncs directly from your CMS, whether you're using, WordPress, Webflow, Framer, webhooks, and we're going to have many more to come. And then you could also choose the author. Put in custom instructions here as well. You can do that. I'll give you an example of what this would look like. If, let's say, marketing attribution. Okay. And we'll do software, and we'll do a listicle. Let's generate the article. And there you go. Now in about 5 or 6 minutes, the article is going to be done creating, and you can go ahead and you can edit the article or you can sync it directly. Now, IndexPilot, the pricing model is based on the amount of articles that are included. You can see for $99 a month, it's up to 30 articles a month. $199 is 100. $499 is up to 250. And we have other higher plans within the app if you are an SEO agency or if you simply just are loving the strategy and want to keep implementing it. So back inside the platform here, you can see that, that's going to keep going. And now what's happening is there are multiple agents working in the background to construct this entire article. Okay. And these agents are essentially working together and going to make sure that the article output is perfect. You also have the ability to train each and every one of these agents. So if you, for example, wanted to write a certain way or wanted to match your brand's voice, you can edit the content writer and you can give it specific instructions. Write like a knowledgeable friend versus a technical expert versus an enthusiastic coach, right? And so that's a prime example right there. You can also, for the images, give examples of how you want the images created. So you have full flexibility and you have this team of AI agents that is working together to consistently save you so much time. Now, I was spending 3 hours a day doing this. So now that I have all of these AI agents doing this for me, it's probably about 10 minutes a day now. And all I do when articles are done is go ahead and go to the articles here. And here we go. Here's a listicle for top marketing attribution softwares. And I can see the entire article here. It automatically is going to reference your company as number one if you are relevant in that niche, right? And it will detect that automatically. You can see it's also doing all of the internal linking and SEO optimization inside of the article. So digital marketing attribution software, it automatically linked to digital marketing attribution software right here. For that search phrase and all of the variations of it, we're going to help you get this published to your site so you can also get indexed by IndexPilot quickly and found faster so that you show up in Google faster, and as well as get referenced by all of the AIs when there's a prompt about digital marketing attribution software, right? So that's the whole idea, is putting in place a content marketing strategy so that you can get a compounding effect of organic traffic over time. So think about it like this. Every article that you are creating is real estate, whether in an AI prompt or in the search engine. And so now more than ever, guys, is the most important time to have a content marketing strategy, especially if you want to scale up. So IndexPilot's going to help you do that. Now, the best part is all of the SEO work is done automatically for you. So you could see here, like SEO title, meta description. Best practices are a title has the keyword as well as, between 50 and 60 characters. IndexPilot does all of this for you. It saves so much time. And you also can upload your own image and do all that stuff. Now, inside of the article, you can actually use the editor, and you could start one from scratch if you want to. That is also available as well. If you use IndexPilot to have it create the content and then edit it, that's the best workflow. And so inside here, you can see, let's just say this was not here, this image, right? Let's just say the listicle, for whatever reason, did not have a website screenshot. You can go ahead and you can add in a website screenshot automatically. Okay, look how fast that was. So now if you want to, let's say, expand on, why it's great for marketers, okay? Why is Cometly great for marketers? You can expand the content and use AI and give it custom instructions like, talk about why Cometly is great for marketers, right? And you can expand that content. And then in about, a couple seconds, you're going to get back a long, very well formulated piece of content here. And you can see here it is. So it's really awesome. It's automatically taking all the context from the article. You also can generate images directly in here. This is amazing. The image quality is unbelievable. Let's just say I want a marketing dashboard showing revenue growth and untitled UI style for the charts. Okay. And let's generate an image. Now this takes up to 30 seconds. Okay, and now we're back. You can see how high quality the image. So the images are unbelievable. And then the website screenshots, intelligently doing all of this. It's so powerful. But these listicles are what is driving a lot of the AI mentions, as well as getting ranked high in Google search for these very long tail keywords that have a higher conversion rate than just like standard high volume ones, right? So really powerful stuff. And you guys can also see here the keyword, top marketing attribution softwares, like that keyword, it's in the SEO title, it's in the title of the article, top marketing attribution softwares, right? So all of this collectively, all of the authority that you're giving to the other links, and then those links give future articles, like you get links back to this article. That's what's really going to help you build that authority so that you show up higher and you get more organic traffic, okay? So it's amazing. And if I want to just sync to Webflow, I can click one button and then it's synced to Webflow. It's amazing. I went from like 3 hours a day to now, 10, 15 minutes, and I have a content strategy that is predictably growing my organic revenue. It's unbelievable. So to tie it all together, when you do have new URLs in your sitemap, IndexPilot's going to automatically submit your sitemap to Google, and it's also going to submit to Index Now. And so Index Now, a lot of people don't even know what that is, but it's essentially like instant indexing with Bing. It's an excellent way to use IndexPilot with Index Now, and it's going to help you get reference a lot faster in those AI searches through Bing, as well as just normal search through Bing. So it's a full suite here. You have Autopilot, you have the ability to create articles, you have the ability to add your own keywords, the AI generates keywords for you. You have all of this here, and the pricing is just $99 a month starting, and you get up to 30 articles. 30 articles is a lot, okay? It's a lot, but I do recommend that you are doing between like, 60, 80, 90 articles a month, like 3 per day is usually a really solid strategy. And it's going to enable you to put out super high quality content to the search engine so you can get more organic traffic coming in. I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and start your free trial. And if you need any help, we're here to help. It's a super simple setup. You only have a few things that you have to do to get this in place. All you have to do is connect Google Search Console, train the AI agents, and set your call to action preferences. You can add your own keywords or use the ones that AI has generated. Connect your CMS, which is also super easy, and then you are good to go. So I hope this was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much.